Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Verify your ISP account and note the router model so you know limits. Once done, unplug the router's power for 30 seconds. This clears memory and often fixes transient issues. While it's off, inspect cables and the modem's status lights using your phone to photograph patterns. Make sure the Ethernet cable is firmly seated between modem and router. Reconnect power and watch LEDs for the manufacturer's normal startup sequence before moving on. You now log into the router's admin page using the local IP printed on the device. This lets you see firmware version and active settings. Once logged in, check firmware and update if needed because outdated firmware causes instability. Make sure DHCP is enabled and the SSID plus password match what devices expect. Change channel to reduce interference if crowded. Then plug a laptop via Ethernet and run a speed test to determine if the issue is Wi-Fi only. If problems persist, backup settings and perform a factory reset. This removes corrupt configs. Reconfigure SSID, password, and any port forwards you need, and then test devices again. Make sure the router sits centrally and elevated in your home, away from metal, microwaves, and thick walls to improve coverage. Once done, run another wired and wireless speed test. If it still fails, gather log screenshots and LED photos. Then contact your ISP. They can check line quality or send a replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.